Hi, my name is Dan, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Cauldron on a Windows machine using pip. First, go to unnotebook.com and click Get Started. Here you can review your system requirements. Cauldron requires Python 3. It will not run on Python 2. You can see which versions are required. And also your operating system needs to be a 64-bit. You can also see the steps that we're going to take in today's tutorial. First, we're going to install the Python package, and second, we're going to install Cauldron's desktop application. I'm going to add a third step of just doing a quick hello world so you can get an idea of the flow of working with Cauldron. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open up your command prompt and type in the command pip install Cauldron dash notebook and hit return. It's always a good idea to make sure that was properly installed, so I'm going to type in Cauldron space dash dash version. Hit return. And there we are. We can see that the right version at the time of this tutorial has been installed. So step 1 has been completed. Let's move on to installing the desktop app. We're going to scroll past the Mac instructions down to Windows instructions and click on the standard installer, and it's going to download here. We'll just take a moment. Okay, the installer has been downloaded. Double click to launch. Here is the app. You can see it has automatically detected the path to my Python executable. If you have more than one instance of Python running, you might have to do this manually. But since mine is correct and we're ready to go, I'm going to click on Start. And the app is complete and ready, so I'm going to create my first notebook by clicking on Create. I need a notebook name, so I'm going to call this Notebook Tuesday. And I also need the directory where I'm going to put these files, and this is where I'm keeping my files for this project. And I'm just going to accept all the defaults for the sake of this tutorial and hit Create. And here's my notebook. There's the title, and it's asking me for my first step, so I simply click here, click Create, and I have, you can see the first step is created here, and it's a file, s01.py. We're different than other notebooks in that you do not code in the browser. You code in your favorite IDE. So I'm going to go open up my favorite IDE, which is PyCharm. And I've already created this project using Cauldron, so I'm not going to create a new project in PyCharm. I'm going to open this one. I go to that folder that I previously gave to Cauldron. I go down here, and there's PyCharm projects. I open that up, and I look, and there it is, Notebook Tuesday. I'm going to select that, open it up in my IDE. And I can take a look in that file, and there it is, that folder, and there it is, s01.py. Open that. And we always import the Cauldron library into each step, but since we're just doing a simple hello world, I'm going to delete that and type print hello world. And then I go back to my notebook and click here to run this step. You can see it's running. Happy face, it was successfully completed, and there's hello world. Now if I want to edit this, I go back to my IDE and do the coding there. Say hello universe. Look at my notebook, and I'm going to run that step again. And hello universe. Now I can just continue to add steps. Click here. I can go before or after. I'm going to go after, and I can complete my notebook in that fashion. If you have any more questions, please go to unnotebook.com. You can check us out on GitHub or connect with us on Gitter. Thanks.